Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday the Australian dollar went back and forth during the session as the market attempted to look for direction after the release of the Australian job data. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, which is the ABS, the seasonally adjusted employment decreased by 227,700 between April and May. The unemployment increased by 85,700 people to 927,600, and the unemployment rate missed the 6.9 forecast and increased by 7.1%. This reading the highest since 2001. Looking at the technical aspect, I'm viewing now that the broad uptrend has risen from 67.50.70 and now holds at 68.35, with 35 being the low overnight. It is assessed that further weakness should come into play as the MACD and the RSI are married up, and I believe that we are looking down towards, if we see a break of 68 cents, looking to the region of 67 and down to 66. The euro at the moment is still remaining negative after the market took the challenge further to the downside and now pressuring the level of 111.70. I do anticipate that this could break down because of the technical indication and therefore look towards the target that I'm holding for the last few days at 111.10.15 and reassess from there. Dollar yen is getting closer to the target of 106.40. Reassess from there as we may see profit taking like previously seen and could see a short-term bounce if we see this level challenged. However, a break of under 106 would give a view down to 105 to about 105.20. The pound broke lower overnight, crushing the level of 125.05.15 and reached its target now of 124. It is assessed that we could see further weakness if we see a break under 124, as this would give the next target somewhere around 122.40.80. So do keep that in mind. Overall, though, the technicals are breaking down and therefore could see this pattern break today, and do keep an eye on that, because if so, then these indicators might eventually get oversold. So do continue to lower your stop losses and take profit accordingly to your risk management. I believe dollar CAD is set up or in a prime position for a rise up towards the target, still holding around 137. But first of all, the market's got a little work to do to tackle the upside, and once it clears the resistant level seen roughly around 136.25 to 136.65, should put that motion to the upside in play. Gold still trading sideways. Look at these dojis and the hanging man, and there's so many hesitations of taking the challenge towards that 1,740 area that I feel that we could see another turn to the downside and look towards a level of 1,710.12, with 12 being the low this week. If we see a break there, that would give further scope to 1,688.92 before any reversal. Oil is attempting to challenge the upside again. As you can see, the market is remaining shallow to any pullback. I still feel that the market can actually head lower towards the target of 56 or 36, sorry, down to 34 as an objective, while the resistance is capped at 41. Well, that caps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed a great start today and to the weekend.